Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 0 to Infinity. I am Vinita and I hope you all are doing great. Have you ever seen a cactus in a jungle or a polar bear in a desert? No, right? That's because every living organism is deeply connected to its surroundings or what we call the habitat. So in today's video, we are going to study about organisms and their surroundings. So let's find out how different organisms are living in different surroundings. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the habitat and its organisms. So what do you mean by organisms and their surroundings? An organism is any living being like plants, animals, birds, fish or even insect. And surrounding means the environment in which the organism lives. And it includes temperature, water, air, soil, light and even other living things. So together all these factors form an organism's habitat, that is its home, where it can find everything it needs to survive. Next, let's look at some examples. Fish lives in water because they have gills to breathe and fins to swim. Camels lives in deserts because they can store water and their feet are adapted to walk on sand. Frogs can live both in water and on land. That's why they are called amphibians. Isn't it amazing how every organism is perfectly situated to its habitat? This connection is known as adaptation, special features that help an organism to live in its environment. Now let's see few adaptations that are present on our earth. We have saline habitat, which includes salt water, oceans and seas. This is the image of the ocean. We have saltwater estuaries. This is the picture of saltwater estuary. We have salt flats. We have salt pans. And we have saline lakes. And we have saltwater mangrove swamps. So all these are the aquatic habitats. In the introduction video, we have seen basically we have two types of habitats. One is aquatic habitat and the other is the terrestrial habitat. So whatever we have seen till now, all the oceans, seas, lakes, all these comes under the aquatic habitat. Next we have the terrestrial habitats. Terrestrial habitats are the ecosystems found on land excluding bodies of water. That means where there is no water, means they are all the land areas. Example or the various ecosystems that come under terrestrial habitat are forest, grasslands, deserts. Forest, we have the image of forest. Next, habitat and the animals that live in forests include lion, tiger, cheetah, elephants, mongoose, fox, etc. So we have different animals living in the forest habitat. Next we have grasslands. This is the grassland. Next we have deserts, desert habitat where our camel lives. So all the animals that are found in deserts are camel, phoenix foxes, kangaroo rats, dung beetles, roadrunners, scorpions, etc. So all these animals, they live in the desert habitat. Next we have mountains. This is also a part of our terrestrial habitat. And the animals that live in mountains include snow leopard, yaks, Himalayan thar, red pandas, mountain goats, pikas, etc. So we have different animals living even in the mountain habitats. Next we have tundra region, which is very cool. And the aquatic habitats, which is the habitat underwater, which includes oceans, and the aquatic animals that live in the oceans are fish, sea turtles, coral reefs, many animals, jellyfish, octopus. Sorry, this is the many mammals and crocodile, etc. So we have different types of organisms living even in the oceans of our aquatic habitat. Next we have rivers. So we have basically categorized all the habitats into two types. One is the aquatic and the other one is the terrestrial. Aquatic included all the water bodies and terrestrial habitat included all the land areas where different habitats are found, where different types of animals are living in different types of environment. So let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We have learned organisms and the living beings, surroundings or everything around them like air, water, soil, temperature. And we also learned all this together, they form the habitat, and every organisms adapt to its surroundings to survive. And we have also seen the two types of habitats, that is aquatic and terrestrial. We have also studied with their pictures, and we have also studied the different animals living in these different habitats. So in our next video, we'll talk about the different types of habitats like deserts, forests, mountains, oceans and more. So stay tuned, and if you learned something today, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for such more interesting videos. I'll be meeting you all in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye-bye.